21-minute habits to increase productivity by 100%. Micro habits, as the name implies, require little motivation and effort to implement. This small habit will eventually grow into something bigger and better for you, your ambitions. 1. Before going to bed, read 3 pages of a book. When you're in a foul mood, you don't want to go to bed. Worse, once you've stuffed your mind with junk like reality television. Yes, it's normal that you want to unwind before going to bed. What you do before bed, on the other hand, can affect how well you wake up and how you feel during the day. 2. Begin each day with strength and purpose. If you want to start a new healthy habit or get out of your comfort zone, you must first have a strong intention to do so. The power of intention, writes Wayne Dyer, author of The Power of Intention, is the power to manifest, to create, to live a life of unlimited abundance, and to attract into your life the right people at the right moments. 3. Get up and meditate. Is it possible to meditate in 60 seconds? Absolutely. Beginning with 1 minute every day, you may find yourself pausing multiple times, or perhaps 5 or 6 times, during the day. Mindfulness becomes a habit over time. 4. Reduce your responsibilities. You feel peaceful enough after meditating to go over your to-do list or calendar. However, to avoid overburdening yourself, prioritize your chores and arrange them accordingly. 5. Make your early workout enjoyable. You could disagree on this. However, you do not always have to exercise for 30 minutes or an hour. In fact, you should incorporate a 1-minute workout into your morning regimen. 6. Follow the 1-minute rule. In general, if you can do a task in less than a minute, do it immediately. You can, for example, send a brief email, schedule a task, or tweet. 7. Turn off all notifications for at least one long period of work each day. Our minds struggle to go from one task to another. A single notification, whether email or text, can draw you away from your work for up to 40% of the day. Sk or tweet it. 8. Replace self-pity with thankfulness. According to research, practicing thankfulness before bed might lead to improved sleep and a more productive day. Reminding yourself of what you're grateful for every day is an excellent strategy to combat negativity and become a more positive thinker. You can do this internally, or even better, keep a gratitude diary. Journaling offers numerous advantages, ranging from reducing anxiety and stress to stimulating creativity and new ways of thinking. 9. Take a break from staring. Schedule frequent pauses from screen time to protect your eyes. When working on a computer, it is recommended that you glance away from the screen for at least 20 seconds every 20 minutes. 10. Take a breather before saying yes. A quick stop not only gives you some time, but also allows you to appraise the situation by asking questions such as, was this a formal request? Was it just a suggestion? What is the price of saying yes? Will this help my mission or bring me closer to my objectives? Is this something I should put on my to-do list? Are there other options? Instead of meeting, try a quick Slack chat. This typically calms your worried thoughts and keeps you from being a people pleaser. Most crucial, refrain from overcommitting oneself. Thank you for watching the first part of 21-minute habits to increase your productivity. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Have a wonderful day.